USC students can shop till they drop in Alumni Park this week. Students can walk through a mini mall on their way to class and buy anything from clothes to artwork. Vendors say they love the campus and the sales they make.
Earrings, bracelets, necklaces, they like it all.
Yeah.
They do, they like it all. Yeah, they love to shop.
All the accessories.
Students and staff can take advantage of having a shopping mall right at their fingertips, sometimes buying things that they never had any intention of purchasing.
Kind of like Audrey Hepburn old photos or like movie posters, and so I got like one of those like to hang up in my apartment next year. Yep, I have a problem.
Some products are handcrafted but still at reasonable prices. A collection of artwork that has been in the making for 15 years is also available. Even students who love nature give this market a green thumbs up. Rather than having a competitive environment, vendors support each other by exploring each unique product.
I think everyone has really different products, so I don't think it's a conflict of interest. And I know some of the vendors, and they're good friends of mine.
Students need to be on the lookout since this market is only available twice a year.